I'm Mia.
And I'm Gabe.
And this is cdstv.
Students and staff.
Please remember to wear your mask to cover your nose and mouth at all times while in any indoor spaces.
Tempe Union High School District continues to mandate the use of masks while indoors.
Thank you.
Homecoming tickets are on sale in the bookstore. The homecoming dance is on October 16th, and we are allowing all students to attend our outdoor courtyard venue. Underclassmen are able to attend the 6 p.m. dance, and the upperclassmen will attend the 8 p.m. dance. Semi-formal attire is expected, and the tickets are $20. And unfortunately, no guest passes are allowed.
Athletes, it's time to register for winter sports. Go to Register My Athlete and complete your registration by November 1st to try out for soccer, basketball, and wrestling. And now stay tuned for some cdstv original content.
Hey Corona! I'm Leah.
And I'm Parker.
And homecoming's looking a little bit different this year.
So let's take a look.
The freshman and sophomore dance starts at 6 o'clock p.m. and ends at 7:45. At 6 o'clock, you're going to enter through the junior lot near the front office.
At the end of the dance, you will exit through the breezeway and be picked up at the senior parking lot.
Juniors and seniors, at 8:15 you will enter at the junior lot and exit the same way you entered.
We'll have 2 DJs, one by the sundial,
And one by this shaded area.
and if you need to cool down, the amphitheater will be showing infamous MTV music videos.
And culinary will be providing snacks, desserts, and drinks.
And don't forget to check out the photo booth.
And our very own cdstv slow-mo booth.
Unfortunately, there will be no guest passes this year, but it's a once-in-a-lifetime event, so be sure to grab your tickets before October 16th.
Can't wait to see you there.
Hey Corona, a few days ago I asked you 3 random questions. Let's get into it. I'll just do one more. If you had to get rid of one state in the United States, which one would it be and why?
Let me think about this.
Texas.
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 Washington.
Alabama.
Arizona.
Florida.
Florida.
Rhode Island.
Virginia.
Wyoming for me. Yeah, Mississippi. It's like literally useless.
If you guys had to describe the color blue to someone who can't see, how would you do it?
It looks blue. Orange, but a different color.
Water.
Water.
Yeah.
Ocean.
Ocean. It's a sad color.
The color of sadness.
It's like very majestic.
It's like very peaceful and very like calm.
Very calm color.
The way vanilla tastes.
Give him a blueberry and ask him to smell it. It could be whatever you want it to be.
Okay, what's your worst unreasonable fear?
Fear of holes.
Phobia of balloons.
Rats. Their shape, it freaks me out. Oh.
Horses.
Coins.
Tripping on the stairs at school.
Oh, toes, actually. I really don't like toes, bro.
Spiders.
Worms and bald people probably.
Also, speaking of rats, there was a dead rat in my parking spot in the senior lot for like 2 weeks. Yeah.
Making me.
Are we still rolling?
Are you interested in finding scholarships? Join the Scholarship Club. We meet after school on Mondays in room E262. Stop by to get more information if interested or come out to our next meeting.
Attention Aztecs. Don't let an ACLAB opportunity pass you by. Sign up today. Do it now.
The next Red Kettle Club meeting will be Thursday, October 14th after school in Miss Giles' room, E263. We'll be planning our first service project and need your help. See you there.
Hey Corona, I'm Aiden and this is your Space News Recap. NASA recently revealed the landing site for their new lunar rover named Viper. The The rover comes equipped with several spectrometers to analyze the soil and atmosphere on the moon and a 3-foot-long drill, all with the goal to find water molecules buried in the soil on the lunar surface. The landing site that was selected for the rover is a crater near the south pole of the moon called the Nobile Crater. This region was selected after NASA's satellites orbiting the moon detected a high probability for hydrogen in the soil, which usually indicates a source of water or ice molecules. The rover is expected to make its journey to the moon in late 2023 as part of NASA's Commercial Lunar Payload Services program. In other recent news, NASA's Mars rover named Perseverance recently collected its first successful samples from the Martian surface. The collection of these 2 samples comes a month after the rover tried and failed to retrieve a sample from the surface using its drill in August, which NASA scientists blamed on unexpected properties of the rock they were attempting to drill. The 2 recent successful samples collected by Perseverance will be part of NASA's mission to return rock samples collected by the rover back to Earth so that they can be studied and analyzed to determine whether there may have been water or even life on Mars at some point in the past. And that's all for your space news this week. Have a great fall break, Corona!
Today is October 1st. Nothing special, right? Well, here are some historical events that took place on this day. On October 1st, 1908, the first Model T Ford was introduced to the world, bringing the car into the hands of regular people. On October 1st, 1946, 2 high-ranking Nazi officials were sentenced to death. Countless other officers were put on trial on this day as well. And finally, in 1964, the world's first speed train was introduced in Japan, reaching record speeds of 130 miles per hour. Today, modern speed trains can reach upwards to 300 miles per hour.
And now it's time for Gabe with the weather.
I don't want to.
Gabe, go do the weather.
On Friday, there's going to be a high of 80.
Changed clothes?
How did you get here so fast? I walked out of frame.
I don't know.
Fair enough. On Friday, there's going to be a high of 88 and a low of 64. On Saturday, there's going to be a high of...
Oh, why are you so far away?
Mia, shut up.
Okay.
On Saturday, there's going to be a high of 90 and a low of 66. On Sunday, it'll be a high of 93 and a low of 70.
Hey, did you want this?
Yeah. I'm Gabe, and this was your weekend weather forecast.
Hey, you got your shirt back. Also, how did you refill your glass of milk?
I don't know, bro. Who cares?
Fair enough.
I'm Gabe.
And I'm Mia.
And this was
cdstv.